Hey guys, this is Promila and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are doing well in these quarantine days. Today I will draw with my own thoughts. To draw this you need some basic equipments. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good then you would feel alive. If everything was good then you would feel alive. Everything was good then you would feel alive. If everything was good then you would feel alive.
He never answers me. When I call he makes me feel so lonely. Didn't think you'd give up so easily. Yesterday and laughter feels so far away. I miss the old days. Memories of us keep killing me slowly. You don't really care, don't want you to hold me. Everything was good, then you would feel alive.
If everything was good then you would feel alive. If everything was good then you would feel alive. If everything was good then you would feel alive. She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good then you would feel alive. If everything was good then you would feel alive. Everything was good then you would feel alive. If everything was good then you would feel alive.
So if you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon to be instantly notified. Bye bye.